Well, here's a spring job. We're gonna remove the deck off the truck. We take it on and off twice a year. I don't need it on there in the summer, and my boy Ray is gonna help with that this morning. You wanna drive the truck to the shop?
I don't know how to drive.
Drive the truck into the backyard. We got a little bit of stuff to move around first before we can get there. The way we do it is I have there's a lift back there, but first we got to move this quad, the tires, put the battery in the truck. Got a few things to do. All right, give her. Is the engine at full speed, full throttle, or is it turned off, cut off?
It's full. It's all the way.
Okay, give her again. What happened there? Wait. Okay. Next thing, we need the tools. Open that big, that first, no, not that, that's the, yeah, that one. And get the large 3/4 inch, and you can get the wrenches out of that bottom one. We need the 3/4 inch wrench. Ray, get the large socket. Want to get this one, that one, and the large 3/4 inch. It's fine. Perfect.
You gonna record all of this?
How far back am I going? I'm going right underneath that.
Yeah. Go left. Yeah, straighten out. Oh shit. Yeah, you're close to the. You need to go more left. Yeah, that's about center. There, you're good.
What do you mean center?
Yeah, I think that's far enough back. I mean, you might. No, that doesn't matter. Ray, we can just move the thing.
I'm a little tight. It's a lot more fun when the whole family helps, eh, Mom? You help? Are you here to help? Okay, Ray, get up there and start hooking up the... Look, there's a label on these things. We've done this so many times, Ray. The ones that are labeled back go at the back. The ones that are not labeled go at the front. There should be 2 that are the same length that go at the back. Check to make sure you got 2 the same length, Ray. Want to attach that last one? And the first step consists of removing the 4 bolts. No. Switch tools. You get this one.
Oh, and I got there.
And you just...
Oh, I just hold?
You just hold and Patrick loosens. You're tightening right now. You got it? Tika, why? Of all the places where Tika could sit, she wants to sit right close.
Put these on, go underneath.
What's the second one? Now Ray puts on the coveralls because it's kind of dirty underneath. He's got to go way over there and get that front one. How many times have you done this job, Ray? Every year? When the kids were really, really small, I remember when they were 10 years old, putting this deck on and off without the hoist was a bit of a challenge, but we used to manage. That one always, you got it? The danger of that one is there's a lot of sheet metal underneath there that's easy to cut your hands on. Tika, get out of the way, my girl. You got it? One more. No, you are not going for a ride, my girl. So now that the 4 brackets are off, the next part is just to lift this off. So that's pretty easy. The hard part's done. No? Okay, you're at the top. Okay, forward a bit. Yeah. More. Forward a bit. Yeah. Keep going. Go. Go forward all the way. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Okay, stop. You're clear. If you were in the front, it'd be easier, I think. Let go, Karen. Let go.
Yeah, well, it's because it's too high there.
And here's the final result. The deck is off, which makes the truck In the summer it's more useful because when we go camping and I bring the whole family, put the kayaks in back here and the dogs, that's the big chain for to tie down Dexter so he doesn't jump out of the truck. And there you go. So we do this twice a year. Once every 6 months we put it on and take off the deck. Hope you enjoyed that.